Okay, so we have moved points before. When we had A's and B's or H's and K's, we did some H's and K's. We did some practice of moving points, and we said. We just would add x and the h value to get the new h or new x value, okay? But now we're doing it with all our letters. Okay? We have our super fun formula that everybody has committed to memory. So we have to incorporate all of these into it. Now, there's two ways to answer these questions. There is the graphing way, and there's the algebraic way. You should definitely know the algebraic way, but the graphing way will help you. Sorry. Okay. So we'll do it graphing first, and we'll develop the formula so that you yourselves will help develop a first-time formula. All right, we're starting with the point 4 and 1. So we marked the point 4, 1. There it is, right there. Boom. Now we got to figure out what A, B, H, and K are. So what is A? -2. What does that do? So vertical stretch by 2 and a flip over the x, right? VS by 2 and a flip over the x-axis. Yeah, we're just moving 1 point. The B value is 2, which means what? Horizontal stretch by a half. H is equal to 2, which is we go right or left? Right. And K is 5, so we went up. Okay, so we're going to do this to the single point. Okay, so we're going to do A first. You might as well start with alphabetical. A is -2, so I just multiply all my what values by -2? Y values. So the Y value here is at 1, has a Y value of 1. I multiply it by -2, where does it go? To -2, so it moves to there. Whoa. Okay, so that's the first step. Step 1. Let me shrink that. I got some large. So step 1, we did that, is in red. Okay? Step 2 will be blue. Whoa, why is everything so big? Step 2, horizontal stretch by a half. What does that mean? Multiply your x values by a half. So the x value here on this new one here is 4. I multiply it by a half, it goes to 2. So there is the second step. Third step, we're going to go for, I don't know, whatever color this is, galaxy. All right. So third step, we're going to go 2 to the right. 1, 2. Oh, I'm back on this guy. I'll put a little galaxy inside the red dot. And then the final step we'll do in green is to go up 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the final point. Final, it has coordinates of 4 and 3. Does that make sense? Okay, yes. No, right now I'm just giving you a point, and I'm saying, where does that move? Okay? Now, that is pretty tedious. You can do that every time, but there are 2 formulas, and you're going to help me come up with them right now. And we're going to write them in, what color should we write them in? Rainbow. Perfect. Here we go. So, whoa. All right. The new x coordinate. What two values of A, B, H, and K affect the x coordinate? H and B. Which one is multiplying? B. So you do B first, right? So it's not bx, it's 1 over b times your x value plus h. That will give you your new x coordinate. Okay? So for example, on this one, my b value is 2. So it's 1/2 times my x value, which was 4, plus, what's my h? What's a half times 4? Plus 2. Ooh, it matches that. Yay. All right. Y value. What two letters affect the y value? A and K. What do I do first, A or K? So it's going to be A times the y value plus K. So in this case, our A was -2 times our y, which is 1, and our K value is 5, which is -2. Wow. -2 plus 5. What's -2 plus 5? 3. It matches. To quote my 3-year-old, same, same. Okay? That is a much easier way. Okay? I am not going to give you these formulas, but you will have a little tiny sticky note that you can write them on. Okay? You get a sticky note formula sheet thing. I did it last time. You liked it. So. Test. Okay. Any questions about that? No? We're good? I mean, you can do it this way. You need a graph, and it's gonna take a little longer. This way is pretty straightforward. As long as you can pull out A, B, H, and K, the only trick is the 1 over B. Just remember that. Okay? Rest of the sheet, please. I will post the key in the classroom. I stopped the video.